On a quiet farm there was a tractor that had been used by the farmer for years in his daily work. It was a solid, reliable piece of equipment that kept the farm in good condition by working all the time. One day the farmer decided that the tractor needed a service, so he took it to a mechanic. The road to the mechanic led through picturesque landscapes, full of fields and meadows that the farmer had known since he was a child. The tractor moved slowly along a narrow, gravel road, surrounded by strips of ripe grain and clumps of trees whose leaves were beginning to turn autumn shades of gold and red. After a thorough inspection by the mechanic, it turned out that the tractor, while still in good condition, needed some essential repairs. The first thing that needed to be done was an oil change. The engine was running smoothly but needed fresh lubrication to avoid overheating and wearing out parts. Then the mechanic noticed that the tires, which had struggled over the years on the farm's rough, uneven terrain, were already badly worn and needed replacing with new, more durable, grippy tires. During the inspection, the mechanic also suggested adding new equipment that could significantly increase work efficiency. New LED headlights were installed, which allowed work after dark, as well as additional roof lights and new horns. A modern radiator grille and a large front weight were also added. Finally, it was left to screw on new, more durable wheels with better traction. These improvements not only extended the tractor's life, but also increased its value and functionality. After repairs, the tractor was ready for many more years of work, helping on the farm faster and more efficiently than ever. After returning to the farm, the tractor once again became an invaluable support. It made everyday work easier, and its reliability allowed the farmer to focus on other aspects of running the farm, such as harvesting crops or managing livestock.
Among the many tractors on the farm, Swaraj's small tractor was set to work harvesting maize. Surrounded by larger and more powerful machines, Swaraj stood out for his agility and reliability. As the first rays of sunlight began to illuminate the fields, Swaraj was already in full readiness. His engine purred softly as he set out for work, full of determination and ready for action. Once he got there, Swaraj began his work with gusto. His job was to pick the right corn kernels and load them onto a trailer. With precision and speed, he picked each kernel, checking carefully to make sure everything was harvested. Despite his size, Swaraj could work with incredible efficiency, leaving behind neatly harvested rows of corn. knew that Swaraj could always be counted on. His dedication and reliability made him a firm favorite, and his daily efforts were crucial to the success of the harvest. When the day was over, the little tractor would proudly return to the garage, knowing that it had once again proven its worth.